In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink threads from Instagram. To get started, open the Threads app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to the Threads account that's connected to your Instagram profile. This is important because any changes you make need to be done from the correct linked account. Once you're in Threads, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then go into Account. Inside the account settings, look for the option called deactivate or delete profile. At this point, you'll usually have two different choices depending on what you want to do. If your goal is to temporarily step away from Threads without fully removing the profile, choose deactivate profile if that option is available. This will disable your Threads profile while keeping the connection to Instagram in place. If instead you want to remove your Threads profile completely, select delete profile. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue. As you go through the process, pay close attention to the prompts so you understand whether the change is temporary or permanent. When asked, confirm your choice to finish that part of the process. Now, if your goal isn't to delete or deactivate Threads, but just to stop your Threads profile from showing up on Instagram, the next part is what you'll want to do. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon to go to your profile page. Then tap Edit Profile. In your profile settings, check whether there's an option to hide or disable your Threads badge or profile link. If that setting is available, turn it off so the Threads connection no longer appears publicly on your Instagram profile. After that, save your changes. Once everything is saved, go back to your Instagram profile and verify that the Threads badge or profile link is no longer visible. This final check helps make sure the update actually went through. A quick tip before you finish. Deactivating a Threads profile and hiding the Threads link on Instagram are two different actions. Deactivating affects your Threads presence, while hiding the badge or link only changes what people can see on your Instagram profile. So make sure you choose the option that matches your goal, and that's how to unlink, hide, deactivate, or remove Threads from your Instagram presence depending on the option available in your account settings.